Welcome back, guys. I'm KP from the KP and Gino J Show. I want to welcome you guys back over here to the Thurgood property. This is part 2. We're going to walk through and I'm going to show you guys about the phase that we're on right now, which is post demo. We had everything removed and I'd like to show you guys what we're doing next. Alright, all the demo has been done. All the sheetrock, plaster, insulation, everything has been taken out. So now we have a blank canvas that we're starting with. The next phase is going to be framing. As you can see, we got some of the lumber for the framing here. It's 2x10s, 2x12s, 2x4s, and a stack of 2x4s to the right. So next, like I say, it will be the framing stage, and we're going to develop this area to the left. We're going to close this in, and that will, in the future, be part of the kitchen. We're going to raise this floor, provide a new exterior wall with siding and insulation and of course electrical for our new kitchen that we're going to relocate from. And behind me, on the last video, I mapped out where we're going to frame a wall. And this wall that we're going to frame is going to be part of the master bathroom's wall. Remember, I put an X on this wall and they took it all out in the area that I wanted, because this will now be the entry into this space here, which will be the master bathroom. And over here, this used to be the kitchen. We took all these walls out to relocate the kitchen. Now this will be, all of this will be considered the kitchen. So we're actually doubling the size of the kitchen by using the old exterior part of the home, which was the porch. Close that in, and now our kitchen is double for us to have more cabinet space and of course an island, because we like to have an island overlooking the large family living room. And back here is just a bunch of demo. Like the bathroom is going to stay the hall bath, so it's just going to be retiled, and of course everything in there that's going to come on out of the wood. So this bedroom will stay the same. 2 windows, of course we'll have new windows, all new installation, electrical and plumbing for the bathroom. We're going to nix out this closet and give it to the master bedroom. So we're going to close this closet off and just keep this closet for this bedroom over here. And in here, this is the new master bedroom, which is going to have 1 closet here, 1 closet here. If you remember, I just said we're going to give that closet to the master. So we have a great size for a master on the front of the house. And of course, all new insulation, electrical, and sheetrock. And behind you, this space that I'm standing in now will be part of the master bathroom. We're gonna have a door here, probably a barn door. Don't know yet, we haven't chosen any finishes. But we're gonna have a shower, double vanity, and toilet in this space that I'm in. So, be a great size bathroom for this size of a house. So now we're just gonna go downstairs so I can run over a couple things that we got going on in the basement. So if you look around, the basement looks a lot different as well, because it's been demoed down here also. All the sheetrock, insulation, plaster, all that's been demoed out. From this wall to the bedroom wall. Behind me is the bathroom. We're reconfiguring that bathroom. We're still going to have a stand-up shower, vanity, and toilet down here. But in the basement, when we come back on the next video and you see the framing, it will actually be 2 bedrooms down here. So it's going to be a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and a living area down here in the basement. So the house will now be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. On the next video, you're going to see with all the framing complete. So again, I'm KP from the KP and Gino J Show, and see you on video number 3.